Imo one name, Imo one name, Imo one name. Onye nelogilo amuboya. Onye nelogilo miriloya. Onye nelogilo.
Imo, Abia. You see your life? You see what in big boy like you, they're under this hot weather. You know, attack a conyagera lamnaya. Cam, and I hear, Ogorumbo Bikubana on a site. Now to the caterpillar tag shade demolition on the first property hub. I get a special new more here. Ibejuleki, Etoakote, Gino. You are becoming useless. Makachineke now. Other fellow boys like you, then they inside market now, they for offices, they work. Give your goods running. Now to business on your daka. At all on them madaki gizoshi. You go thief.
I'm planning for the future.
You dey plan for future.
Future. My future is tied in this man.
Now your madness. Now you go tie here. From your madness tying here, then very soon we go take 6 feet. You rest in pieces. Stupid 1%. They call me Imo. See, the nonsense where you go drop inside toilet. You drop that kind of stupid something like that. Fine boy, like you see the kind of thing where you get around. What's that shit and go and crack him up and be an attack. You know the flush him.
I talk and say he get wetin I forget where I no do. I stand here since don't reason.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Because of this estate inside dream. God show unto me. I consider say he get wetin I forget. So now be that shit, that thing, where I forget. You help me come out.
Me help you come out. Nkata nyoshe ezeregu. Why don't pour 2 buckets of water? The thing kaguzo ngo guzo. Mwige ya selite.
2 buckets.
Or 2 buckets. 2.5 safe. Now rubber you chop, make I ask you.
That this thing we chop yesterday. That apaka.
Apaka.
Hello. Hey. Igbo. My name is Chiefimocomedylatest.
Jesus!
Are you okay?
This family cough where they disturb you.
Oh, okay. My brother, Imo. As I was saying, my name is Chiefimocomedylatest. Okay. Also, one.
You be mumu. How many times would they tell you, mumu man?
You see this whole place?
Yeah!
From this place now to that place, look at that house over there. Belongs to our family.
Oh shit!
Hey! Imo!
Mosquito.
Hold on a second.
Mosquito has a very high voice.
Don't mind my stupid.
Sorry,
brother.
including this house?
Yes.
That's my father's house.
Did that
you live here? Yes. Oh, yes. Our father sold it to your uncle.
Yeah!
Your uncle now.
Yeah!
Chief. Imo. Don't mind my stupid brother.
Oh shit!
Who is stupid?
No.
Me stupid?
No, not you. I wasn't. Did I call you?
Did you say I'm stupid?
Don't touch me.
Oh, okay, please. Sorry. What is your name?
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Hello?
Just take
Hello? Sorry, your wife.
Jesus!
I don't mind me.
Talk to your wife or some don't mind him. Madam, you don't want to take call though. Take your call.
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
I'm not your type. I mean, take a good look at me. No, I'm talking
Yeah!
to you. Take a good look at me. Do I look like somebody that you could afford? I mean, do I look like one of those local girls out there? No, just look at me very well. Shoe get size.
Yes.
Shoe get size.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
You be mumu. How many times would they tell you, mumu man? You think say they wise?
Madam. In state, he was our idiot.
Hello?
Hey, babe. Here you go, minute to come. I'm a bugo.
You have spoiled my business.
Which kind of nonsense business?
You have spoiled my business now.
You and who they do business? Lying business. So wagon. You make indomie. Give me my money. I beg or some shit. Give me some. I go bite you. I go bite you. Give me my money where you collect yesterday from my pocket to go chop indomie. You come here, you get estate, you get library, you get a lily, you get cemetery, but you don't get money to pay for your. Give me. I don't know. Say you get all these places and this is now what I'm pay me.
I won't sell them.
You won't sell them.
If I sell them, I'll pay you.
Until you sold. Akwa now you never sell them until you sold. My phone first. I got borrow this afternoon. My money.
Imo. Your money. I'm going ahead here. I'm going ahead. What here? I'm going ahead here. Your money. Your money. Never. Your money. Your money. No look guanya. Is your money inside the hook of it? Millions of naira will come out.
Fish wash and cup of tea.
You came back.
You be mumu. How many times would they tell you, mumu man?
Follow who? Oh, you go Christ. Your mates are busy following Christ, carrying their cross and follow Christ. How can you say that follow me? I tell you, sir, no get sense.
But you look at just now where
Me
they go.
look waiting. Me where they look where they go bury you. Now the grave where they go dig, now they search for you. They go naked. What can be any me go and do me biko? Give me my money.
I go give you a go now. How much is your money?
You don't know how much we collect? 3,000.
3,000.
Give me.
I say one part, I give you.
Say 1 pound.
Imo,